In this video, we'll walk through how you can use EndNote to display reference lists at the end of each chapter in a Word document, rather than at the end of the manuscript. So for example, I have a manuscript here that I've been working on, and I asked EndNote to use APA 7 style, and so I have a list of all of my citations at the end here. But I've decided that I would like to split this into 2 chapters and have each chapter have its own reference list. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open my EndNote. Then I'm going to go up to the Tools menu and click on it. And then I'll scroll down to Output Styles and choose Edit APA 7th, which is the style I'm currently using. I'll go ahead and click there, and then this new window will open where I can make edits to the style. I'm going to go over here and click on Sections in the left-hand pane, and you'll see it gives me options to create a complete bibliography at the end of the document, to create a bibliography for each section, or to create a bibliography for each section and a complete bibliography at the end of the document. I want to create a bibliography for each section, so I'm going to click on the radio button next to that option. Then I'm going to go up to File and click on Save As, because I don't actually want to modify my main APA 7 style. I want to make a copy of it, so that if I ever need to modify it again to do something different, I have that original style untouched. So I'm going to call this APA 7 Sections and click on Save. And then I'm going to go back to my Word document. And the first thing I need to do is go to the end of my first chapter and hit Return. And then I'm going to click on the Layout menu in Word, and I'll go to Breaks and click on that, and it's a drop down, and I'll say I want a section break, next page. So now my chapter 2 is starting on the second page, and you'll want to make a break like this at the end of each of your chapters so that the tools know where your reference list should go. So now I've made those breaks. I'm going to click on my EndNote 21 button. I'm going to change my style in the drop down and say select another style. And this is going to open a separate little window. So I'm going to scroll down to APA 7th Sections right here and click OK. And it's going to update my bibliography. And now if we look, I have sources for what I used in chapter 1 here. And then I'm going to scroll down to the end of chapter 2, and you can see I also have the citations I used in chapter 2 down here. If for some reason you apply the style and you don't see the change immediately, you can go ahead and click on Update Citations and Bibliography. Thank you for watching.